Now, we're talking about stiff-legged deadlift. Very similar, but instead of as much glute, you're gonna get a little more hamstring with this. And stiff-legged doesn't mean straight leg. It just means a little bit stiffer. So you're definitely keeping a little more of a vertical shin here rather than letting that shin go forward as much, right? Now, you do need a little more hamstring flexibility with this and a little bit more motor control with this to allow yourself to get in that position without spinal rounding. But generally, it's the same thing, right? I'm getting pretty close to the bar. With this, you can allow that bar to get a little more further forward than the middle of your foot, maybe like an inch max. But I can still keep it in the middle of my foot. Now I'm reaching down and grabbing the bar. From here, I'm not doing the same setup where I'm pushing my hip forward and towards the bar. I'm keeping my hips as high as I possibly can get them, okay? I'm keeping my hips high and I'm getting my torso more forward, almost like I have like a ledge in front of me, I'm like a cliff, I'm trying to look over that cliff. That's what I want to do with this one, right? So I'm looking over that cliff, my hips are staying high. They're not going back either, they're staying high, and I'm going down towards the bar. This is the starting position for my stiff-legged deadlift. And from here, as I'm pushing through the ground, it's this way. Same thing as I come down. Push to the ground, here. And now you can see that bar path can stay a lot more vertical and up and down because I don't have my knees in the way, right? So all I want from here is that way. So you should feel this a lot more in the hamstrings. And it's a good way to teach how to pre-tension properly because it gets you to lean forward even more than a normal deadlift. So the ability to tension here and feel it in the glutes and hamstrings rather than the low back will transfer over really well to the deadlift, the conventional deadlift.